Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accessibility section, and then to Talkback. Here you can enable this feature. After that, Talkback tutorial starts, and it talks.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback.
And
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of
non-stop.
5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
Yeah, that's
It
what I
gives you
wanted to
spoken
tell.
feedback so that
So,
you can use your
like
device
when
without
you're
close button.
in the
Double
Talkback
tap to
mode,
activate.
when you're in the Talkback mode, like if you want to perform any action, you have to firstly select it and then double tap it to confirm it. So, for example, if you want to close it, I already selected it, then double tap it.
Close button. Close tutorial.
Close,
Close.
please.
Talkback. Navigate up button.
Then, for example,
Use service.
turn off,
Use service.
stop,
Stop.
please.
Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.